Bullish LUNC cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Terra exemplary cost could reach $0. Bearish LUNC cost expectation for 2023 is $0. In this land exemplary cost forecast 2023, we will break down the value examples of LUNC by utilizing precise dealer agreeable specialized examination pointers and furthermore foresee the future development of the digital money. What is land exemplary? Land exemplary is one of the digital forms of money that can never be forgotten by the crypto local area. The wild accident of this token is a significant horrendous story of the 2022 bear market. Land exemplary was sent off by Do Kwon's Terraform Labs in 2019. The old rendition of the blockchain, Land exemplary, was sent off as a proof-of-stake blockchain based on Universe SDK and Tendermint. LUNC existed as an insurance token that supported a group of decentralized stablecoins of the Land biological system. Land Classic USD is Land's algorithmic stablecoin that was supported by LUNC. Afterward, to recover their spot on the lookout, Do Kwon and the Land group concocted the production of a new blockchain without any trace of the algo stablecoin and sent off the new coin called Land. Land exemplary value expectation 2023. Land exemplary positions 64th on CoinMarketCap in conditions of its market capitalization. The outline of the Land exemplary cost expectation for 2023 is made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time span. In the above diagram, Land exemplary spread out a plummeting triangle design. This example is many times viewed as a trait of a negative pattern. It is framed by the upper pattern line that interfaces the highs and a flat pattern line associating lows unites to shape a triangle. In the event that the cost activity penetrates the lower support level, the negative pattern would be maintained. By and large, diving triangle design demonstrates the inversion of an upswing or the continuation of the downtrend. Brokers distinctly pay special attention to a huge breakout point. At the hour of investigation, the cost of Land exemplary was recorded at $0. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of LUNC could arrive at the obstruction levels of $0, $0. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of LUNC might tumble to the help of $0. Land exemplary backing and obstruction levels. The outline given underneath explains the conceivable opposition and backing levels of Land exemplary in 2023. According to the above examination, on the off chance that Land exemplary's bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its obstruction level of $0. Alternately, assuming that Land exemplary's bears overwhelm the pattern, the cost of LUNC could plunge to $0. Land exemplary value forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers like relative volume, moving normal, and relative strength record of Land exemplary are displayed in the outline beneath. The specialized examination pointer relative volume is utilized to quantify the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is regularly determined by partitioning the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predefined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. Additionally, it helps merchants in recognizing surprising exchanging action and changes market opinion. At the hour of investigation, the RVOL of Land exemplary was found underneath the end line. Hence, it signifies a feeble volume of members exchanging the latest thing. The following specialized pointer is the moving normal. This energy marker is utilized to streamline cost information and recognize patterns on the lookout. It helps in computing the typical cost of a resource over a particular period. Especially, the 50-day moving normal assesses the typical shutting cost of the resource throughout recent days. At the point when the cost of a resource is above 50 MA, it is viewed as in an upswing, and whenever laid underneath 50 MA, it is in a downtrend. Outstandingly, in the above outline, the LUNC cost lies under 50 MAMA, showing its downtrend. Subsequently, LUNC is in a negative state. Albeit this is the present status, a pattern inversion could happen. Next up is the overall strength record. Fundamentally, this investigation pointer assists dealers with deciding the strength and force of a resource's cost development over a particular period. In this examination, the RSI is determined by looking at the typical additions and misfortunes of the resource over the beyond 14 period. The subsequent worth lies between a scope of 0 and 100. Subsequently, the readings over 70 demonstrate an overbought state, and under 30 show an oversold state. Altogether, merchants frequently utilize the RSI to recognize potential pattern inversions or to affirm the pattern's course. For example, assuming a resource is in an upswing and the RSI comes to an overbought perusing of 70, it might recommend that the resource is expected for a pullback or revision. On the other hand, in the event that a resource is in a downtrend and the RSI is in an oversold perusing of 30, it might recommend a possible inversion. At the hour of examination, the RSI of LUNC is at 44.19 hence. This demonstrates LUNC is neither an overbought nor oversold state. Land Exemplary Value Expectation 2023. ADX, RVI in the beneath graph. We dissect the strength and unpredictability of Land Exemplary utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers, normal directional record, and relative instability file. To break down the strength of the pattern force, let us observe the typical directional file. The ADX esteem is gotten from the two directional development markers like plus DI. DIN is communicated between 0 to 100. As per the information on the above graph, the ADX of LUNC lies in the scope of 12.35, bringing up a powerless pattern. The above graph additionally shows another specialized pointer, the general unpredictability record. This pointer estimates the unpredictability of a resource's cost development over a particular period. Concerning the outlines information, the RVI of LUNC lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Correlation of LUNC with BTC. ETH. Let us currently look at the value developments of Land Exemplary with that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of LUNC is like that of BTC and ETH. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes. The cost of LUNC additionally increments or diminishes separately. Land Exemplary Value Expectation 2024 to 2030 with the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized investigation pointers and pattern designs. Let us foresee the cost of Land Exemplary somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Land Exemplary Value Expectation 2024 on the off chance that bulls overwhelm the value force in pattern designs. Land Exemplary could effectively test and outperform its obstruction levels to hit $0 2024. Land Exemplary Cost Expectation 2025. The huge redesigns in the land class ecosystem could convince the section of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately support the Land Exemplary cost to reach $0 2025. Land Exemplary Value Expectation 2026. If Land Exemplary effectively tests its significant opposition levels and keeps on moving potential gain, then it would mobilize to hit $0. Land Exemplary Value Forecast 2027. If Land Exemplary supports significant obstruction levels and stands as a superior speculation choice on the lookout, then LUNC would energize to hit $0. Exemplary Value Expectation 2028. If Land Exemplary holds a positive market opinion in the midst of the exceptionally unstable crypto market by driving critical cost rally, then, at that point, LUNC would hit $0 2028. Land Exemplary Value Forecast 2029. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Land Exemplary, then, at that point, the crypto would observe significant spikes. Consequently, LUNC could hit 1 cent by 2029. Land Exemplary Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, the LUNC cost could energize to 3 cents in the event that the pattern energy adjusts for Land Exemplary. Moreover, LUNC would hold a positive market opinion and be named as a drawn-out speculation with exceptionally productive return for capital invested. And if Land Exemplary secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be ideal for the cryptographic money. All in all, the bullish Land Exemplary cost expectation for 2020